What's up guys, it's Ed back again from TechSource and welcome to the gaming PC build for the month of November. This is Razox, the ultimate gaming PC running two Titan X's and SLI. It also has Intel's newest 6700K Skylake processor, which I overclocked to 4.7 GHz, 16GB of DDR4 RAM from Corsair, an X61 CPU cooler from NZXT, and 400GB of storage from Intel's newest PCIe SSDs. Powering all of these components is the unnecessary AX1200i PSU from Corsair, and everything is packed inside the stunning Razer Edition S340 case from NZXT. The case has a backlit Razer logo in the front with a non-lit logo inside, along with green LEDs that glow from underneath, and you also get a green lit power button up top with green USB 3.0 ports. Needless to say, if you're going with a build that has some green in it, I strongly recommend picking up this case. A lot of you know that I recently switched to an S340 case myself and I'm absolutely loving it. Some minor mods I want to point out are the fan grills, the custom cables, GPU backplates, and the SLI bridge, which were all done by these guys at V1 Tech. They did a phenomenal job with these, and they have a bunch of other different parts that they can make in any color you can imagine. So if you guys want to spice up your custom PC, definitely check them out. I'll drop a link down below to their website along with any of the parts I used for this PC build. So on to the temps and benchmarks. A lot of you guys don't really care for those, so I left a screenshot down below on where you guys can check that out if anyone is interested. For video editing, Razox managed to render a 1-minute 4K file in just under 4 minutes using these export settings, and you guys can find the link to the template if you guys want to download and compare speeds to your current PC. Alright, so with all that said and done, moving on to the best part of this video, or I should say the second best part of this video, the gaming benchmarks. I hope you guys enjoy. So that's it for the gaming benchmarks. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smack the crap out of that like button to show your support, and I can continue doing these every single month for you. My next PC build is a $450 budget build, which is coming up really soon, so make sure you guys stick around for that. Before I head out, I want to give a huge thanks to Harry's for making this video possible. If you guys are like me, then you hate shopping for razors. Harry's sends everything you need for the perfect shave straight to your doorstep. You get a premium made razor handle, 2 extra blade cartridges, and your choice of shaving cream or gel for just $15 for the starter pack. But if you guys use the code TechSource, you can knock off an extra $5 off your first purchase. The blades are extremely sharp and contours your face while shaving to give you the best shaving experience possible. So click on the link down below and try them out for yourself, but don't forget to use the code TechSource to get your $5 off. But anyways, that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.